Folks, today we're going to talk about mundane astrology. It's very important subject in this astrological. In the old time Vedic astrology and other astrology also do reveals a lot of secrets. In astrology does work the which city you born, which place you born, where you're going to live, where you're going to get marriage, where you're going to get the job. Each city have a different luck in your life. The place you born have your connection, your karmic connection. We do have a question in ourselves, why we born in certain city, certain country, certain place, and why we are living in different country, different city, different place. Why is that? Lot of peoples, they live and die in the same city, they never go cross the city border. The mundane astrology is going to be the right answer for all your questions, your queries in your life. And there is a major effect in mundane astrology in your horoscope, day-to-day life. We have a lot of questions. A lot of my clients and friends, they ask it, Dr. Sani, I got a love in New York, got married in Florida, and divorced in Los Angeles, and then we was happy, we was living in a certain city, a certain place. While we move out of that city, we lost our job, our good luck, we don't have good vibes. Each person have a different planets, and that planets guide you, match in under the mundane astrology constitution, which city, which state, which place is lucky for you around the planets. Today we're going to talk about this thing more, but before to go in more details, as very vast subject, I want to let you know which planets ruling or what in mundane astrology or what they have a major effect. Since we know all the major planets, I will start from the Sun. Sun is the most important planets in mundane astrology, which governs will of the people, president of the city, state, country, and there is the characteristic, the Sun rule all the political major party, a governed party, and personal with the power and authorities and the rulers that's under the Sun. The government of the ruling of the city, of the state, of the country, that is the authority and power go under the Sun. Sun decide who gonna be the major authority party gonna rule, political party gonna rule in the city, state and country, and the reason in the planets. The moon, that is the rule of the common people, that rules all the common people of that country. Emotions that have a power to change the government is governed the basic necessity like a food, clothing, water of that city, state and country, and the shelters and all the nurturing stuff. Moon is like a neuter planets, that's gonna give you water situation of the, like I predicted earlier, Sandy storm in the New Jersey and other people's folks. Keep watching in the YouTube so you understand in what exactly. So those water, your food, your shelter, your clothing, your emotions of the city, the disaster, natural catastrophe bring you together, and those are the moon. Moon is very important, a second planet in mundane astrology, which is the, I will say, the common people, the mass people emotion, opinion, and the feelings about the nation, about the state, about their, like a Dodger party or any game party, their feelings, or any sports activity. The common people support, the group of people support in one agenda. That's rules in mundane astrology rule, and we have to check, thoroughly study under the moon. Now we're going to talk about the Mercury, which is rule the people ability of the communications. The communication skills, there is the literally their literature interest, there is a desire of the movements, their communications, which I says communications go many way. It's go media, it can use telephone, internet, iPad, phone, this, that, a lot of, when we come communications, the wisdom, the knowledge, the interest, the literature, common interest is come under the Mercury. It's a communication planets. How you communicate? Oh, people say you have southern accent, this country accent, that country accents. Those are under communication skill. Communication skills also hold the voice, your vocal voice. The voice is like a rock, the freedom of speech. That's all come in Mercury. Any revolution, anything, union, anything start with a speech. There's a lot of that state, city, a country gonna come under the Mercury. Mercury is a lot of communication, all kind of communication, communication of newspaper, journalism, media, voice, your all kind of jigmos and this twice in the internet, and all these people bringing in different matchmaking or different blogs or different due respect, and like a lot of communication platform available in this media, million more to come. In future gonna bring a lot of very, very advanced communications, more in internet and medias and thing gonna be on the way, which we ready to enjoy it. Our grandkids gonna be say, oh, we have a more faster and faster communication. Our Mundan astrology gonna be speak one day the speed of thought, how fast we thought, our intellectual IQ, our brain IQ, how fast think. That's the fast we gonna be communicate one day. So Mercury is a lot of communication in mundane astrology, all communication, all kind of communication, telephone, media, internet, voice, anything go under the Mercury. The next planets we're going to talk about, folks, are Venus, which is the desire of the community, make more attractive, which is the culture, which is the tradition of that country, state of the country, their folk, their dance, their traditions, their beauty, their art. Every country have own art, every state have own art, every city have own art. The voice of art, glamour of art, beauty of culture of that state, city, a country, and also the tradition, modern or classical tradition of that country, how to celebration. We have in Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, we have 4th of July. So those are the tradition, classical, everything go under the beauty of that celebration is a Venus. And the country also how look beautiful, city look beautiful, natural beauty or man-made modern beauty, creativity of that city, how clean city are, how state beauty, how country beauty. Those the beauty of that nation, beauty of that city, a state, of the town where you live, that's undergo a Venus. The Venus rules a lot of other things, is governed the high society of that shopping plazas, hotel or biggest different high societies, clubs or the celebrity clubs or high societies, a different thing. Those come under all the Venus on there. Next planets we're going to talk about, folks, the Mars, which is a representative the energy of the people, how energetic, sportsman, policeman, military force, all kind of defense mechanism, all kind of manufacturing, all kind of industrial kind of a machinist or communications with the power energy like a sports machinery, all come under the Mars. All kind of the steel industry, which is go under the Saturn, but with the fiberglass and associate power, where is a horsepower come, where is come with the power, the machine who have power, that's go under Mars. The machine who produce things, who have energy, who create things, that's go under the Mars. The energy is absolute under the Mars. Power, authority is different kind of. When we talk police authority is Mars. When we talk about military army authority or defense, that's come under the Mars. Energy of the people of that country, that state, that nation, the police of that state, city or the country, the military of that nation, state of the city, and defense, that's go under the Mars. The Mars is a major ruler. That country is how powerful gonna be, how strong gonna be, that's all decide in that city, country and state. The Mars rules the power, energy and force. The next planets we're going to talk about the Jupiter, folks, and Jupiter is the religious planets, spiritual planets, more principle, more spirituality, more charity, law and order, discipline, and the people desire to elevate themselves physically, financially, spiritually, and that's, I will say, in the spiritual politics of the church or spiritual politics of any religion or any charities things, those things all go under the Jupiter. Folks, today next planets we're going to talk about the Saturn, the rulers of the conversation, the degree of the ambition of the state, city, and country. That's going to talk about the Mars, the reputation of the community, state, and city and country. Decide the Saturn, production, machinery, oil of that country. All together, all the iron, metal, minerals come from the on the ground of that country, city, or state. Decided by Saturn. Uranus is governed the radical and progressive element, which also having the action of the community. Most of the radical and progressive, or they're the left or right wings people, are different and revolutionized. Those go under the Uranus of that city, state, and country. Neptune is governs the ideal of the people. Those of the all chance store franchise, doesn't matter, is 7-Eleven, McDonald's, any food or anything which come in the chance system, place of franchise system, or place of the any chance store. I'm not going to put a name. That's go under the Neptune. Neptune gave in is a multiple cultivate franchise system. Folks, the state, city, and the country, all the chance system, franchise system go under the planets Neptune. That decide. Next planets we're going to talk about Pluto, which is have a group of the first degree of the operations, also the political mergers, foreign affairs, and treaty with your neighbor country, your friend country, other any city, state, and country, how your neighbor, how political affair, foreign affairs, those all things run by Pluto. Also is have a desire to accomplish your goal. So your city goal, your state goal, your team goal, your country goal under the Pluto. Folks, we continue going to talk about this all the planets rules, how mundane astrology. Thanks for listening me. You have any further question, you can call me 1-855-377-2464. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.